The first humanoid robot manufacturing facility in Turkey has launched in the Konya district of central Anatolia. The first humanoid robots are now being mass-produced in Turkey by Akin Robotics, which was founded by Akinsoft. More than 120 locally built robots from the company's robot family are employed in industries like entertainment, healthcare, food and beverage, education, tourism, advertising, and broadcasting. The firm produced robots that can communicate, analyze sound, recognize faces, use the internet, and identify odors. The factory's construction was finished in about 1.5 years, according to the chairman of Akinsoft's board of directors. These robots can carry out duties including product promotion in malls, flyer distribution at fairs, airport or bus station escorting, and retail sales. These robots, which can even serve as hospital nurses, are designed to help housewives in particular ways. Customers can be escorted to the company's service robots, which are able to move, charge, and pre-study table configurations. The robots may now provide information about the services provided at each level, including specifics like which table to take the tray from. Its speech recognition functionality has been added. In addition to being utilized in service-related industries like cafes and restaurants, these robots are now starting to be used in factories for repetitive jobs and can even carry out comparable duties in some medical facilities. A Chinese manufacturer has increased output by 250% by replacing 90% of its workers with robots. In the modern era, technological advancement is happening at a very fast pace. Industrial robotics is one of the major fields where advancements are very noticeable. Experts are building new robots that are frequently far more productive than people. The replacement of employees at one of China's industrial companies in Dongguan is one instance. Only 60 of the factory's 650 employees remained after the management replaced them with robots. The remaining staff members simply take care of their metal coworkers. To put it another way, one of the staff's duties is to make sure the production process continues. The robots are promptly fixed if any begin to malfunction. At each important assembly step, robotic manipulators are positioned to carry out a specific set of tasks. At the factory, even the cargo transporting vehicles run on their own. It's a lot to have 60 people working on the robots. However, the robots themselves are intricate systems that need to be watched over. Now that everything is running smoothly, the factory manager is even thinking about cutting the workforce from 60 to 20 employees. It did not take long for the effects of replacing humans with robots to become apparent. Productivity in the factory rose by 250% right away. Additionally, the percentage of faulty parts dropped dramatically from 25% to 5%. Since a 25% failure rate is quite high, the management made the proper choice in removing untrained staff from a business standpoint. 1,500 businesses in southern China are steadily substituting robots for their human workers, and this tendency is only becoming worse with time. It makes sense that Chinese laborers who lost their employment to robots are unhappy about the situation. As a result, the area frequently experiences protests and strikes. These actions haven't yet had any outcomes, though. However, experts estimate that by 2025, robots, smart gadgets, and specialized software will perform around 1/3 of the human-performed tasks in businesses. This holds true for the entire world, not just China. At London's Hive Warehouse, more than 2,000 robots are seen in this unusual photo picking food orders. More than 2,000 eight-wheeled, precisely synchronized warehouse robots are used to select orders at the 52,300 square meter Okada warehouse. These robots walk along a ceiling and retrieve objects from a vertical cellular structure. The business made the decision to entirely automate all warehouse operations and do away with human staff. The maximum speed at which the robots can move is 4 meters per second. Every day, each robot works for roughly 20 hours. The warehouse has over 50,000 distinct things. The items are delivered by the robots to the picking station, where a person scans them. In 10 minutes, the robots assemble a single, huge order. In contrast, it might take a human employee 45 to 60 minutes to complete the same activity. One may argue that robots behave 5 times more quickly than people. Robots from Ocado Technologies have been used in warehouses before. Negative experiences also exist. This company's robots have started warehouse complex fires in London and Andover on separate occasions. Alibaba, a Chinese firm, has likewise made the decision to use robots in place of human employees. As a result, by integrating robots into the workflow, the warehouse operated by the massive online retailer Alibaba has seen a 300% improvement in productivity. The warehouse, which occupies over 3,000 square meters, is situated in Huizhou, Guangdong Province. The artificially intelligent robots, developed by Shanghai-based Quitron, a renowned business, have just made an appearance here. The robots help humans with activities like packaging and storage control and receive commands via Wi-Fi. At up to 1.5 meters per second, they move required racks and other loads up to 500 kilograms in weight. The facility employs more than 1,000 clever robots in total. The robots can communicate with one another, such as to yield to other robots in order to prevent crashes, and they use lasers to navigate the warehouse. When the robot's battery is about to run low, they automatically come to recharge. A packer at this Alibaba facility used to walk 28,000 steps a shift on average, according to Placetech. This number of steps has been down to 2,500 after robotization, demonstrating the robot's amazing efficiency. Europe's largest use of robot-based sorting technology has been implemented by Curionet, a Turkish package distribution company. The system was developed and installed at Curionet's Tuzla factory, which is located outside of Istanbul. Libio Robotics, along with its Turkish distribution and after-sales support partner Loadmaster, designed and installed the system. The system can process an astounding 45,000 items per hour and connects over 700 destination chutes with 5 package induction sites using 120 Libio Mini Yellow autonomous mobile robots. Compared to the conventional tilt tray and cross-belt conveyor-based sorting systems, this line offers flexibility and cost savings. With a load capacity of up to 10 kilograms and collision avoidance technology to assure safety during route-based operations, each robot only takes up 1/5 of the floor space required for conveyor systems. The flexibility required to adjust to the ever-changing throughput requirements of a contemporary parcel fulfillment operation is lacking in fixed equipment. But warehouse managers are redefining package sorting by switching from static cross-belt sorters to incredibly agile and energy-efficient AMR technology. Robotic sorting systems are unquestionably revolutionizing the logistics industry. They are also environmentally beneficial. After watching this video, let us know what you enjoyed most in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I'll see you later.